Ready for iPhone 19 to blow your mind? Apple's cooking up a bold masterpiece for its 20th iPhone anniversary in 2027, think foldable screens or an all-glass design. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman says it's their biggest project in years. Let's dive in. First up, a foldable iPhone might finally happen. Rumors have swirled for years, but Apple's waiting for the tech to be perfect. Picture this, a sleek, book-like iPhone with razor-thin edges, classic Apple vibes. They might even throw in a foldable iPad that year. Crazy, right? Then there's the Pro model, it could be glass overload. Mac rumors hints at Johnny Ive's dream, an iPhone that's one seamless glass slab. This design screams luxury and futuristic flair, pushing boundaries like never before. Back in 2017, iPhone X ditched the home button, sparking the edge-to-edge screen trend for its 10-year milestone. Now, iPhone 19 could top that. Naming's also a twist, from iPhone 8 to X, so will it be iPhone 20 or something wilder in 2027? Hold your hype. Gurman warns iPhone 17 this year and 18 next won't shake things up much. Apple's saving the fireworks for 2027. Patience, folks, it'll be worth it when this Apple bomb drops. Foldable or glass, which iPhone 19 vibe are you feeling? Drop a comment below. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Apple leaks.